Hello, my desktop publishing students. Now, this is going to be the first time that you have used a combo chart. So I want you to open up the one called Combo Chart. Go to your classes drive and find it, and you can follow along with me. All right. And now what we're going to do here, you can see that we've got the numbers sold in the first two columns, one for Cowabungas, one for Cow-Wow, and we've got the dollars for Cowabunga, and we got the dollar sales for Cow-Wow. So in our question, it asks you to select A4 down to A9. All right. Then hold down your control key, and we're going to highlight from C4 down to C9. Leave your control key down, and you're going to highlight from E4 down to E9. So do you see I took the names of the countries, I've got the number sold for Cow-Wows, and I've got the dollars in revenue that we have received. All right, so what we want to do here is we want to make a combo chart. So this time we're going to go to Insert, but you're going to go a different place, okay? You're going to go to your charts, but we're going to go to Recommended Charts. So as you can see, there's many ways to create a chart here, okay? And it doesn't matter which way you use, but we're going with Recommended. And now take a look here. It shows you all the chart formats that will work well for your data that is selected. Okay, so they give you that on every scenario, the charts that will look the best. All right, so they give you all different ones, and that's fine and that's great. Someday you'll want to use them. All right, but I want to go to all charts today, and I want to go down to combo. All right, and so now take a look. It shows me having a line chart and a column chart with Series 1 and Series 2. Now, that's great if I wanted that, okay? Now, on Series 1, I do want a clustered column, but on Series 2, I want to put in a area, and I just want a 100% stack, or do I just want a straight stacked one? Okay, I want a stacked area. Okay, so I just want a straight stacked area. So I've got my stacked area. And now you see your stacked area. Now, what I want to do, you can see that we have the revenue on the left-hand side, the primary. This is always the primary axis, all right? So I want to make Series 1, which is the Cow-Wow, the number sold, my secondary axis. So watch. We're going to click here. And now do you see the number sold here? Okay, so I have my revenue here and I have my number sold here because I put on the secondary axis. So you see that you have clustered column, you see you have stacked area, and that's what we chose, and we put the secondary axis on the clustered column. All right, so now say okay, and there's your chart. Okay, so now if you look at your figures, you can see 600,000 for 600,000 at the top, going to 600,000 because that's what your revenue goes up to 547, so they round it off to 600,000. And on the right hand side, the number sold, your top goes 250, so round it off to 300. All right, we have Series 1 and Series 2, and we want to name them, okay? And now remember, we click here, we right-click, we go to Select Data, right? And we're going to select Series 1, and we must say Edit. And now we want to type in number sold. So you can always make what labels you want, but you want some appropriate labels, okay? Number sold. And note this says C4 to C9, and that's exactly right, okay? And now Series 2, Edit. Note that it says E4 to E9, which is right. And here we want to say dollars sold, okay? So dollars sold. And I missed a capital D here, so hold on. All right, and say okay, and then okay one more time. Now for the chart title, we want let's just put in units and dollars and nothing else. And again, I'll go Shift Home. As you know, I'm going to go to home. I'm going to make it red to go with this. I'm going to put on Calibri, and I'm going to make it size 20, and I'll make it bold and italics. Okay, so there's how easy it was for you to pick out specific data, the names of the countries. We want cow-wow, the number sold, and the dollars that we brought in. So on the left-hand side, this is called the primary axis, which is your dollars that you received. And here, this is your secondary axis, and this is the number sold. All right, I didn't do any other formatting here because we've already gone over that, so I don't think you need anything else. That's good. And once again, you know that I could bring it back here. Now let's have a look. Let's just see if I can get a print on here. Let's go to File, Print. Ha, no print preview tonight. Whoa, hold on, maybe I will. No, can't tell you why, but that's all right. You don't need it. Okay, so let's save your work. Here, I saved mine with my name and the current date, and I assumed you did the same. So save it, and we'll stop.